some breaking updates, top of the hour. The death toll in the Bikaner-Guwahati Express mishap has now risen to 9. In fact, what we're also learning is that 36 people have been critically injured. The death toll there mounting to 9, and the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is also set to visit the incident site. Remember, the incident happened yesterday evening. Union Minister John Barla has now informed that the passengers were sent to Guwahati by special train. The Guwahati-Bikaner Express derailed near Damohani in West Bengal last evening, where 12 bogies derailed, and it has now been confirmed that 5 of them, in fact, overturned. The speed of the train at the time of the incident is said to be 40 kilometers per hour. And my colleague Bhaskar is joining us on the broadcast to give us all those live updates. Very unfortunate incident indeed. The death toll has now risen to 9. What is the latest that you are learning as far as the rescue operation is concerned, as well as the inquiry that has now been launched into the incident?
Absolutely, Samiksha. This is a very horrific accident happened yesterday, and now the rescue ops are on one side, NDRF, SDRF, and all the other civil defense agencies are working on it. And on the other hand, the local hospitals, the local government medical colleges, and other hospitals, other nursing homes, other medical institutions, they are getting prepared to treat any of them who was under this horrific accident with the utmost priority. And the inquiry committee is already formed, and the whole thing, how the accident was happened and why that accident was happened, everything will be under the radar. Everything will come out after the investigation completes, and as the railway authorities are planning. And on the other hand, Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is about to visit the crash spot today, and he is already on his way to the crash spot. And yesterday he reached Kolkata, and thereafter he started his journey towards the crash spot. And all the rescue operations are now on, but the death toll already rose up to 9 as of now.
Right. And Bhaskar, just one more question that I have right now. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's in fact one of the first such mishaps to have happened since 2019. And we're also learning that when this incident happened, there was apparently some repair work which was going on the railway tracks. Anything that you're learning in that regard?
Yes, absolutely, Shamikha. You are absolutely correct. The work was going on that part of the railway track, and the NFR they are preparing for the railway track. They are preparing railway track to make a second line as of now.
Okay.
As we are getting information from the railway authorities, and although the work was going on, but how this accident happened with this kind of intensity is now under radar of the inquiring authorities. Samiksha.
All right. Thanks, Bhaskar, for the moment. So that's the latest that we are learning right now. The death toll after the tragic incident, has now risen to 9, and the critically injured are 36 people who are now being treated. Those are the inside shots of the express, the train that derailed yesterday. Union Minister MOS John Barla is also joining us on the phone line. Sir, good morning to you. It's a very unfortunate incident indeed. The death toll has now risen to 9. Help us understand, the help that is also being rendered to those who have been critically injured. And we're also learning that a probe has also been launched into the incident.
Good morning.
Sir, if you can hear me, I was asking you about your reaction to this tragic incident. We are learning that an inquiry has been ordered into the incident. Anything you can tell us on what actually led to this tragic incident? Sir, if you can hear us, I guess we have some connectivity issues there. Sir, my question to you was the inquiry that has now been ordered into this train accident. We're learning that the death toll has now risen to 9 and those critically injured are over 36. Well, we'll try connecting again with Union Minister John Barla, who was trying to speak to us on this tragic incident that happened in which the death toll has risen to 9. 36 people have been critically injured and have been admitted to different hospitals. Remember, a 5 lakh ex gratia has also been announced to the kin of the deceased. In fact, we have a reaction as well coming in. Let's listen in.
कैजुअल्टीज़ में जो अभी जो रिपोर्ट हैं और हॉस्पिटल्स में जो हमको रिपोर्ट मिली है उसके हिसाब से 9 डेथ्स और 36 इंजरीज़ हैं, जिसमें ग्रीवियस 10 इंजरीज़ हैं, 26 सिंपल इंजरीज़ हैं और 36 में जो है 36 जो हमारे 3 हॉस्पिटल हैं उसमें एडमिट हैं।
सर, रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन क्या हो चुका है? कुछ पता चला?
रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन जो पैसेंजर वाला तो कल हो गया था।
हाँ सर।
अब रिस्टोरेशन हो रहा है, जिससे ये कोचेस को उठा के और ट्रैक को रिस्टोर करा जा रहा है और हम लोगों को उम्मीद है कि 13 बजे तक इसको रिस्टोर कर देंगे।
सर, क्या लगता है ये हादसा कैसे हुआ सर?
उसके लिए अभी CRS इंक्वायरी, जो कमिश्नर ऑफ रेलवे सेफ्टी हैं, वो इंक्वायरी करेंगे। वो दोपहर को यहाँ आएंगे, उसके बाद इंक्वायरी शुरू हो जाएगी। तो हादसों की जो कारणों के बारे में पूरा इंक्वायरी होने के बाद में ही बताया जा सकता है।
प्राइमरीली कुछ पता चल रहा है कि क्यों?
प्राइमरीली अभी कुछ नहीं, प्राइमा फेसी कुछ कह नहीं सकते, और क्योंकि CRS का वो है तो हम लोग उस बारे में अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते।
सर,
And those are the latest shots on your screens right now from the incident site. The death toll in Bikaner-Guwahati Express mishap has now risen to 9 and 36 people have been critically injured as well. In fact, just a short while ago, Union Minister John Barla, who was trying to speak with us, visited the site as well. And in fact, we are getting more reactions right now. Let's listen in.
तो रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन क्या पूरा हो चुका है?
रेस्क्यू पूरी हो गया। अभी सब हॉस्पिटलाइज जो भी है हॉस्पिटलाइज है, और जो पैसेंजर सब था स्पेशल ट्रेन करके उनको फिर गुवाहाटी ले गया।
सर, कितना लोगों की मौत हुई है
अभी इस हादसे में करीबन 9 डेथ हो गया और 36 इंजर्ड है, अभी हॉस्पिटलाइज है विभिन्न मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल में। सर,
क्या कारण हो सकता है, कुछ पता
देखिए इसका टीम,
कोई मिलिटेंट एक्टिविटीज?
देखिए टीम तो तय हुई है, अभी उसका छानबीन चल रहा है।
ठीक है। हाँ बोलिए सर। सर, क्या फिगर्स है सर, क्या स्थिति है अभी तक?
कैजुअल्टीज़ में जो अभी जो रिपोर्ट हैं और हॉस्पिटल्स में जो हमको रिपोर्ट मिली है उसके हिसाब से 9 डेथ्स और 36 इंजरीज़ हैं, जिसमें ग्रीवियस 10 इंजरीज़ हैं, 26 सिंपल इंजरीज़ हैं और 36 में जो है 36 जो हमारे 3 हॉस्पिटल हैं उसमें।
Going again across to Bhaskar, who's joining us on the broadcast with all the live updates. Bhaskar, we are learning that Union Minister John Barla also visited the incident site a short while back. What is the situation right now at the moment on the ground?
Situation after this horrific incident is now, as of now, the rescue operation, NDRF, the army, and the other civil defense staff are now performing the rescue operation on that crash site, and the senior leaders from all the political parties, along with MOS John Barla and the other dignitaries, they visited that crash site and the other hospitals, and so many people are now under treatment in Jalpaiguri hospital and the other those neighboring hospitals and nursing homes. And right now, the rescue operations are on one side, and on the other side, the probe is on that how this horrific accident happened yesterday, and what was the main reason of this response. And they will look up
Right.
every detail to find out the exact cause of this horrific accident.
Well, thanks, Bhaskar, for the moment. So those are the live visuals from the incident site. Bikaner-Guwahati Express has derailed, which has led to the death of 9 people, and 36 people have been critically injured as well. Remember, yesterday the NDRF and the BSF personnel also rushed to the site to aid in the rescue operations. And there we have the personnel at the incident site clearing the track, and the live visuals that we are getting right now.